Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerardo and I love hair. Today I'm doing a side-by-side brush style comparison. So let's get into it. So you guys know I did something similar to this a while ago. I'm gonna put the link here if you want to check that one out. But this time I want to do something similar, but still different. First I'm gonna divide my hair in two because I want to do this side-by-side comparison like I said, and you guys know this is just hard for me to make a part in. I think that's good enough. Yeah, that's good enough. So I'm just gonna continue this towards the back. I think that's much better. So I'm just gonna take this side and see if they are both similar. I think they are, yeah, they are pretty much the same. So I'm gonna clip this one away. I have my clips here. And this side, just going to clip it also to explain to you guys what I'm gonna do, because I'm gonna keep it short and simple. I'm thinking this side I'm gonna brush it with the brush vertical to my head, so it will be similar to how I style my hair. I just gonna pick up the hair and do this, brush it vertical to my head, take vertical sections. And on this one I'm thinking I'm gonna do it horizontal, because I've been seeing people styling their curls differently, and I want to know how my curls will look with both styles. See if maybe this side that it's horizontal will actually work better on my curls than the one I've been accustomed to doing the vertical brush styling. So essentially that's what I'm gonna do. So you'll see me here do it, and I'll be back later. Alright, so these are the results. I don't know what, I'm gonna show you first the curls. How are they looking? See, I'm conflicted. Is it me or this side? It seems, obviously it looks like it has more volume. So this one's more flat, has more volume. But this side looks more defined. What do you guys think? Is it me? I'm saying that this side is more defined than this one, but this one has more volume in it. and it's still very defined. And you can see it even here in my roots. This one's more higher, this one's more flatter. I can actually fluff it a little bit just to make it slightly similar. Maybe if I shake it a little bit, it will get some volume. Get some volume, but it's not. And the curls are more wavy. See, I can pick one out here, and you can see that it's more wavy, and the ends are actually curly. But overall, usually I have some places here in the back that are hard to get defined, and they're pretty defined. Pretty defined. Let me see on this side. Well, on this side it's also very defined. No. I think it's important. That's why I'm doing this trial. Remember, on this side I did it vertical to my head. I style it this way, using the brush this way. And on this side I do it horizontal, so I use the brush this way. So essentially I brush it out this way instead of doing it this way. So horizontal, I'll do it this way just to see. Horizontal or vertical. I like them both, but I think I could maybe mix them up, maybe try and mix the both styles in my head, because like I said, there are some places here in the back that usually are very hard for me to get very defined, and they are looking pretty defined and juicy. See how the curls are, and in comparison this side, it's defined, but it's a little more fluffy, or with some frizz. It's probably because it has more volume, but maybe I could mix it up while I'm styling. I can actually do it horizontal on certain parts and vertical on others. So yeah, like I said, I think it's important for you to try and see what works best for your hair. I learned the horizontal way and horizontal section, the vertical, sorry, the vertical styling sections all over my head, and that has worked since I started my hair journey, and I started wearing my hair longer. But now that I have substantially longer hair, I feel like I can mix and match and see what works better for my actual pattern. So yeah, let me know which side you like. The vertical side, which is this one. This one's the vertical side, or the horizontal side, which is this one. I'm torn in between the two. I don't know which one I like the most. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more of my content, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Remember, you can follow me all across social media at PanaCurls, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.